Welcome back to Squawk in the Street. Volatile trading for cryptocurrencies giving up their gains this after rallying on the news from President Trump that he is planning a crypto reserve. Mackenzie Sagalas is tracking all of this for us. What do we know? What do we think, Mackenzie?
Hey, David. So even as token prices turn lower, crypto-aligned stocks are in the green. Trading platforms like Robinhood and Coinbase, as well as Bitcoin miners Mara and Riot, are all moving higher as investors react to the president's announcement that he plans to launch a national reserve of 5 digital assets. So here's what we know. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a trio of high volatility tokens, Solana, XRP, and Cardano, will comprise this new reserve. The crypto market has largely priced in the news after a weekend rally that saw Cardano surge 70%, while Bitcoin jumped from $78K to over $95,000 before pulling back. Now, one key driver behind these gains is the president's shift in language from stockpile to reserve, a signal that the U.S. may actively acquire and manage digital assets rather than just holding seized tokens. Attention now turns to Friday's White House Crypto Summit, where investors are waiting to see whether Trump's AI and crypto czar, David Sachs, outlines a buying strategy. But even the industry's biggest bulls are raising concerns about using taxpayer dollars to put virtual coins on the country's balance sheet, especially when the U.S. is already running a $2.1 trillion deficit. And unlike traditional reserves of gold, petroleum, or grain, commodities stockpiled for strategic security, this reserve would function more like a speculative investment portfolio. So its benefit to taxpayers remains unclear beyond making some investors much wealthier. Guys?
That's sort of what I was going to ask, Mackenzie, which is we know why we have a strategic oil reserve, right? We need emergency oil, and it's been used to counter higher prices or during wars or geopolitical strife. Why the strategic Bitcoin reserve? What has the White House said, if anything, about it?
Well, the White House and also some lawmakers who are proponents, such as Senator Cynthia Lummis of Wyoming, have said that it could be a hedge against inflation. But a lot of those arguments don't hold up. And so what a lot of people are looking at is what, might be reasons to put some of these cryptocurrencies in a reserve. Yes, they are all top 10 market cap, but the president himself has ties to certain cryptocurrencies. He's built his meme token on top of Solana's blockchain. Ripple, which is the company behind the XRP token, donated $5 million in XRP to the president's inaugural fund. So there are questions about why certain cryptocurrencies ended up on this, as part of this reserve.
Mackenzie, pretty interesting. Going to be a busy week. We'll see what happens Friday, too. Mackenzie Sagalos with the Crypto Watch. Meantime,